Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos on CapCut PC. So select the export button and make sure you've selected the correct folder you want this video to be exported to. You're going to type whatever it is you want. Go to resolutions, and if you want it to be 4K, press the 4K one. Make sure your bitrate is higher as well. Then go to the frame rate section and make sure you selected the 60 frames per second, and you're going to select export. I can't do that on this video, but I can export another video, like this one for instance here. And you're just going to select export, and as you can see it's loading. And yeah, that is it. It does take longer if your videos if your video duration is longer and the resolution, bitrate, and frame rate is higher as well, so keep that in mind. You can also choose from these formats, but I usually use the MP4 one. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!